I was told that love's a drug. I just wanna know how it feels like. You could be the drug of my life, 'cause I find it so damn hard to leave you. Afraid to close my eyes, 'cause then I realize maybe you and I will make it out alive. Tell me, how can I pretend that I am fine? All I want is you.